StockChartSense.com. It's April 25th, and we're going to look at gold today. I want to try to sound like a DJ there for a minute, but I know that's probably not going to play out. So anyhow, let's get back to this stock thing here. Well, let's talk about gold today. This is the GLD, which it mirrors the gold price, and it's a tradable instrument, and it's probably one of the safer things to invest in because it's a ETF versus just an individual stock. But anyhow, here's the deal. Now, when I'm talking here, understand I'm talking about investing here, long-term investment. I'm not talking about trading. So if you don't hear me in the trading tone that I'm usually in, hear me in the investing tone. But here's the thing. Let's just zoom out here a little bit. If I can do this right. Okay, so here it is. I mean, we just have this nasty downturn here. I mean, we go from 185 area clear down to here, and I mean, it's just kind of up and down, just really nasty up and down, just a really nasty chart here. But here's what I want to show you. Coming closer to here is this, here you had a real nasty down day, and look at this huge red candlestick here, which is showing you that it was a major just downdraft. Lot of selling happened that day. But here's the thing, it really seems to me maybe that washed out a lot of the weak hands and got people out of there, because if you look here, you had some high volume days, but if you look at the down days, I mean, they weren't really that bad. Again, and then volume's getting lighter on the down days, and if you look here again, just really not that bad of down days, and again on lighter volume. And today you had this little bit of a high volume spike here, and the stock actually rallied up a little bit. So it seems like to me the stock is just working through a cycle here, probably to go into consolidation mode, and then maybe eventually at some point in the future work its way back up. I think eventually gold will go back up, but I think if you want to start a position in here, I think you can do that. But again, it's a long-term position. I think you could start a position right here, right now, but don't go in heavy, go in very, very light, and build a position over time. If the stock pulls back to 150, 150 would be a great level to add to the position. If you bought right here a little bit, hope for a pullback to 150, and you could add to the position a little bit more. It just seems to me like the downside is minimal from here. And let's just look at a weekly chart here real quick. And if you look at the weekly chart here, I mean, it really seemed to find the floor right there around the 150 level. I mean, that's where it really swished down to, and then we had this up, and then you're actually on the weekly chart, you're actually getting a higher low right here. You're getting a higher low. So let me just take that out of the way so you can see what I mean here. Boom, like that. So you're getting a higher low, which is good. That doesn't mean it can't come down to 150 again, but it just sure seems like this might have found itself a bottom here. And again, you can even see the volume here has gotten lighter. But I really think the tell and the story is in the monthly chart. If you look at the monthly chart here, I mean, this is where here it doesn't look as bad as a downturn as it does on the daily and weekly chart. But here's what I want you to see. This thing broke above 150 here, and then it kind of did a pullback, and then it broke out above 150 on very high volume, and then now it's consolidating its way back, and it came down and it found support at 150, and then it's working its way back down here. So my point of it is really this: it seems to me, especially even looking at the monthly chart, the 150 level is a key support area. One, it broke out there, and then this is where it found support. So it really just seems like the 150 is a real key support level. So again, I think you could safely buy a little bit here, but again, a little bit is the key word. Hope for a pullback to 150 so you can build some more up, and then hold it for a while, because this is a long-term investment. So listen, that's all I have for you today. I hope you're having a great day. Stop over and visit us at StockChartSense.com and sign up for the free video. Have a great day. Take